Welcome to Human TG. Today we're opening Shadowverse Princess Connect with Dive. I got 4 boxes because it was cheap. I was scared for a second because I saw everything was here in Chinese, but it says language is Japanese, so I think it's okay. And maybe that's why it was so cheap. Well, we'll find out soon enough. If not, I'll be very disappointed. But if it's in Japanese, it's okay. Oh, promo pack. Okay, there's some Japanese here. Okay, a promo pack. Ooh. 1 card. Okay. So let's see what we got. What we'll get. Okay, I'll try not to forget. Oh, there's some. I think it's for the online card game. I don't care about online card game. Okay. These are like rarities or anything. No. Oh well, we'll just do it the old way. So it's collab set. Okay, bronze, token. Well, tokens, and that's what they used to. Silver, and golden rare and evolution card. Okay, so the usual stuff. But with it goes. Bronze 3. Okay, so this is shiny. This is like extra set. That's not like worth much. Silver. Okay, camera focus. Foil golden rare. Some enemy. I thought this world was only cute girls. Okay, let's put game. So yeah, everything is Japanese. So it's okay. So it's not a fake. I bought it like I think from Amazon because it's cheap. Or not. I don't remember actually where I bought it. Well, I can check later, but it's like I don't think it's. I think it looks fine to me. Golden. And our first evolution card. I don't know. I haven't played this game. I know global version was like close before anniversary, and this was kind of sad, but I didn't play it, so it didn't impact me. At the time I played so many gachas, so I didn't want to start another one, and it was really my decision. Okay, legendary. Honestly, I don't know the rarity, how they call. I just call them what I think they called. Okay, Kokoro, $3. Okay, prices and other this. I am checking prices on UUT and just. Okay, this is really a loot llama. What a slut. Okay, silver. Okay, 1 bronze, 2 silvers. Okay, so far the set doesn't look as anything special. Okay, well, it's collab. I think people who fans of this product will buy it. And okay, token. And I think. Okay, and this is like okay, golden evolution cards was a night we had, and we have like here's like normal version and here's evolution version. So it's a bit different than usually. And wow, we only got 1 legendary card. Oh wow. And it's like evolution card slot. Okay. Cute dragon. I can't see. So, okay, silver red is like here. And this is like normal. Ooh. Hello. What are you? Okay, let me just check because it's okay. SLL special. Let's call it special. Yeah. I don't know how it's called. And Kokoro, $20. Nice. Golden and bronze wolf kit. Still so many cards. Okay, bronze. And I keep trying to put bronze into silver pile. I don't know why. Okay, maybe because I put them wrong. Okay. Golden. Okay, seriously, I didn't get like single legendary card except this one. Technically, that's the legendary card, but I got one legendary card slot. Okay, they're not expensive. anything, but I still want to get them. Kind of weird. Okay. And golden ram and silver ram full. Wow, what this box? Okay, full bronze, 1 silver. Okay, so these are finally getting legendaries. Okay, 91. Solid, $2. Wow, totally worth it. Golden ram and wolf cards. I don't think I missed them. Well, I don't think so. Maybe they're like in the booster. Let's open one to see what's the deal about it. Okay. Another special. It's number, sorry, like it's really hard to see for some reason. I got like a reason. Okay, number 8. Labrista, $4. Going rare and silver. Yeah, okay. We got like 1 and 1. Maybe they're trying to make them more rare because usually they're so cheap. Well, silver. Okay, we got another one. Okay, 3 per box. Yikes. Number 76. Violet, $2. Maybe this we didn't get, it sounds like a big deal, but still, I like to get them. Okay, let's see what's this problem pack. I'm curious, and usually I forget them. Oh, wow, okay. So this is a leader pack. Okay, so PR and a token. I think leaders can cost something. Okay, this token. Foil token, I don't know. I don't think this one is not shiny, but we'll check the prices. Star premium. Okay. Well, there is expensive. If we get shiny one, and this is not a shiny, it's 14. So if it's less than 8, we end money. Still pretty cool. Okay, this is box 1. We have 3 more boxes to go. So yeah. Okay, we'll open all this in the end, so let's not waste time and start opening packs. Okay, we can this thing speed up. Bronze, silver. Okay, we started with the same legendary, which sucks. And we see like, yeah. Wow, it's like the same pack. Okay, never seen this happen, but it's like 1-to-1 is the last, like bronze. I didn't check the comments as they're the same, but we like open it 1-to-1. Okay, let's do it here. Silver, cute, golden rare, silver rare. Okay. Well, I want to get some expensive cards. I opened did a video on List Origin, pulled a really cool card. Don't know the price actually for it because like there is zero on the market. Okay. Camera focus, please. Super rare, golden rare, and super rare foil. Normal super rare. Okay. I'm just checking, maybe like sometimes there can be like a expensive card in the middle, but here it says take a silver slot. Okay, golden rare. I think we're seeing this one. Bronze rare. Well, I think it's. I didn't check how many cards. Maybe it's a small set. That's why we're getting so much duplication. And so far, man, they reduced legendary rate pool so hard. Okay, it's like, okay, evolve and normal version, same pack, kind of cool, but it's a duplicate. Okay, how many rares are there? Okay. Well, there's a decent amount, I guess. God, around 30. Okay, so here's our shiny slot. We'll go to our shiny pile. Okay, and wow, what a pack. SL cards, okay, special cards. Let's check the price. I'm not a fan of them, they're like kind of the samey. Look to me. Violet, okay, $3, not much. Well, I'll take it. Golden rare and bronze. Okay, box 2 is kind of disappointing, but maybe everything can change at any moment. Like super rare. Okay, legendary finally. This is so hard to pull. Okay, number 3. Aries. Okay, this is expensive, like $20. Ooh, wow. Rare bronze. Okay. Okay, another foil hole. I'm not a fan of them, like it's always so weak in this one. Okay, seen this one guy. Okay, this. Okay, where's mate? As some YouTubers say. Bronze. Super rare. Oh, evolution card. A legendary evolution. Number 92. Saren, a buck. Well, oh, we have like a normal and evolution. Good news for us. And yep. Okay. So we get in the NECA $1 with something. Okay, at least we're getting more in this box. Legendaries. But we're almost done. Like 2 packs to go. Token. Yeah, okay. So we we got so many in here. Okay, bronze, golden rare, and another one. Idia. Gorgeous looking, but only $2. Okay, this box was a bit more exciting. We got more legendaries. Maybe the pack will be better. This promo, we'll see. Oh, there's one extra pack. I kind of missed it. But yeah, find here. Maybe something. Okay, it doesn't look anything special. Okay, so and a golden revolution. Okay, box number 3. Let's see how this will do. So not every box has code in it. Weird. Well. Okay, let's see what we got. We'll get. I think we'll get a lot of application, but boxes were really cheap. That's why I bought 4. Okay, hello there, young lady. And you are. Okay, what's your code? Number 4. Nefer. She's like $1 bar. I really dig her. Okay, this card, we've seen him multiple times. I think there was like a lot of application because I saw a small set. Wow. Okay, this one foily. So rares. Okay, a lot of duplication, I'm afraid, but I'll do. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, it's like silver, 2 silvers. And like I already seen like a duplication, so I'll just try to a bit shorten. Like if I see already a duplicate, I'll put this separate pile, so I don't waste time sorting it. Okay, token. Okay. I think it's like, yeah. Well, I don't know nothing about it. This game, I only know it's died in global. Man, that's really bad when you play gacha, like, and you spend like okay. Okay, this looks like a loaded pack. Let's start first. We got 75. Legendary round fun, $2. Golden rare. And like one of my heroines. Pickering. $4. Wow. 2 legendaries, 1 pack. Bronze, silver, golden rare, and bronze. Okay. We're almost done with this box. Or not really. Just my brain is playing tricks on me. Okay, well, our ridiculous art. This art is cute. And that's what's most important when you open a lot of packs. That you enjoy what you open. And in some sense, like, can be really pain to open. Not because I just like the sets itself. And that's why I try not to buy them anymore. Okay. I think I think that rare, but I'm not sure. Okay, 2 silvers, and this cat multiple times. Silver, and yeah. So that's why we have less videos. I kind of stopped buying less junk. And because like when I have like a lot of boxes of Light Bright and haven't opened because I didn't really enjoy opening it. It's like you need to be a fan of franchise, legendary. Otherwise, it's kind of waste. Okay, Nozomi, dollar, Koro, and the Wolf Corals. Yeah, so. And yeah, also having a lot of unexpected expenses that I didn't plan to. And I had to cut on something. Oh, and golden wolf cards. Love them. And the pack of box 3. Okay, I see something textured. Textured means money in this game. Ultra rare. Don't mind if I do. Okay, let's see how badly I got ripped. Lyrail. $20. Okay, there are some pricey, but most of okay, it's kind of cheap one. So we got on the cheaper side. It's like not maybe it's the cheapest, but medium of the pack. But I'm not complaining. We got ultra rare. Okay, last box. Let's see if our luck. Well, we pulled ultra rare. Not expensive, but we want to get SP. Maybe we'll get lucky with those packs. We don't know yet. We're gonna find out soon. Okay, I'm a big fan of opening shiny cards. Okay. It doesn't matter from which box we got the pack, so okay, let's just speed it up because I'm gonna need some time to sort this. Oh, there's a lot of applications, so I'll just use some tricks. The most common way for me is just open the list of the cards on UUT and visually sort them to see, I have this card, I have this card, like, yeah. And then when I put them in the album, I just go, because they're sorted by the colors, let's call them colors, yeah. Yeah, I haven't bought singles for in a while. I need to buy it next month, man, but the expenses are so high. Okay, legendary. Wait, did I miss? Okay, that's number 111. Misura. $1. And the wolf card. Nice. Okay, bronze, 2 silvers, and Okay, this guy we've seen multiple times. And Wolf card, legendary form. I think it's like one of the main girls. Cat, cow, $3. It feels like there is more packs than usual in this box. I haven't counted them, but like, yeah, silver, golden, and bronze. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. I haven't noticed. Like, I'm touching something weird with this card. Okay, we pulled SP. SP is big money, I think. Because, like, yeah, we in the big money, boys. Chife, signed by Reina Kondo, $200. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Well, it's signed in gold, so but it's like one of the pricey one in the high end. There's a couple cheap ones, but cheap ones like $70. But this is like 200. Wow, it's gorgeous. Wow, what a lucky day today. So this is an exciting video. Okay, let's just finish those packs. That's why you never know. I don't think you can get like 2 hits in the one box. It would be too good. Okay, I'm done. I don't care about legendaries anymore. Okay, so because we put some like ultra rare SP in one box opening. Wow. Okay, you go to shiny pile. You again. And bronze. Okay, let's see. Let's just finish it. Okay, golden rare, golden evolution. Okay, okay, this is like, I think we had this one. I'll just sort it later, it doesn't matter right now. Bronze. Last pack. Okay. Bronze. 2 silvers, and yeah, seeing this one. Okay. Maybe we'll do a triple. Like we pulled 2 expensive cards. Well, one is 7. I don't call it super expensive, but still, we didn't have it. Okay, and nothing shining here. Good elf. We almost were in the money zone. It's number 8, so it was. If it was like one number low, we would be in the money. And looks like we're still not. Okay. Well, no point. Like I got like pulled. This is like one card paid for the whole box. Okay. Oh, and duplicates. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so it can be in the back slot. Okay, we got a triple, baby. We got a triple. Wow, didn't expect that. So like I was disappointed. Like oh, a duplicate, but look what we got. Ooh, shiny. This is like number 5. Ooh, textured. Okay, let's see how good we made. We made like bandits today, like so many. I haven't checked what box was, but it doesn't matter. Princess form Hiyori, $50. I'm not complaining. It looks gorgeous. It's also really sick. Okay, let's make a hand. Yeah, it's sick. Wow, it's like it's the cheapest one, but it's like everything else. Like it's not like super expensive pricing. Okay. So wow, what a pools. Look how many pools and what just 4 boxes. Gorgeous. Super lucky. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon.